day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally, we have here one of the rugged outdoor smartwatch in the market. And it is also tagged as a military grade sports smartwatch. What we have here is the C20 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, it is a rugged outdoor smartwatch for 2023. So let's check. Let's have the unboxing of the C20 Pro military grade outdoor smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's check. Let's start and let's explore the C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have a very simple packaging. At the back, we have the specs and we have the QR code here. As you can see, it is a C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so we have an orange color here. So let's check the smartwatch. So we have here the smartwatch. I guess the user manual and the charging cable is at the back. Let's remove this. So we have a magnetic charging cable. We have a user manual here. Okay, available in several languages. And we have a screen protector. Okay, let's put this back. Again, this is magnetic and USB. Then we have, of course, the smartwatch. Again, this is a C20 Pro smartwatch. And so far, seems like it looks good. And we have a wide body here. And we have the smartwatch. So, okay, so we have here the power button. And we have the sports button. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, seems like we have a combination of metal, okay, and PC material. So here the body frame is PC material as well as the back cover here. While here on the middle part, on the button, we have a metal. Okay, for the bezel, we have a PC material with metal screws, as you can see here. Okay, it looks good. So far it looks nice. Very sporty looking outdoor smartwatch. So let's check. Let's weigh in the wearable and see if this is heavy or a lightweight smartwatch. So we have 52.07 grams. So just more than 50 grams. Okay. So far it's okay. Okay. It looks nice. Okay, you really can see an outdoor style design. We have a flexible silicone strap here with a quick release pin. We have a power button and a sports button. On the other side, okay, we don't have a sports button. Okay, if I'm going to compare it with a P73, here is our P73. As you can see, the smartwatch is a bit wide compared to the Comay P73. I think it's getting popular for those who are looking for a rugged outdoor smartwatch. Seems like we do have a very good screen display here. I expect it to be wide. Based here on the specs, we have a 1.81 inch 240 by 286 pixel resolution. Okay, with 10 to 15 days of battery life, Bluetooth 5.2. Okay, so far I like the looks of the C20 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, and we have a flexible silicone strap here with steel buckle. Okay, I'm curious about the dimension of the smartwatch, so let's check. Let's see. Okay, let's measure it. So it's around 42, I think 40. It's around 40, and the length here we have 42. Okay, it's a bit wide, okay, compared to other, okay, rugged outdoor smartwatch. Okay, for the screen display 1.8 inch, and seems like we do have a different shape here for the screen display. It's not a it is not a total square or rectangular screen display, as you can see here. Seems like we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 octagon type. Okay, octagon shape screen display. So let's see if we still have a power left. Let's turn it on. Okay, and we have activated our smartwatch. English. Please download and install the Affit app on your phone. A device C20 Pro, swipe up to scan the code. So we have here the code, and we have the smartwatch here. Okay, we have a watch face. Let's see, let's change the watch face here and see if we do have a slim black border. And we have here, it's a bit wide on the bottom part, but it's okay on the other side, left and right, and the top corner. Again, this is 1.80 1.81 inch 240 by 286 pixel resolution. So far it's okay. Let's have a preview of the UI of the C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, you only have 58%. The other side. Okay, so very familiar UI for the C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. For the specs, you can check it here. Here are the specs of the C20 Pro smartwatch. A very affordable, rugged outdoor smartwatch in the market. Our next video, it's all about menus and features, so watch it. Okay, we'll upload the second video for the C20 Pro smartwatch. Again, bye.